What's the deal, fam? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing well, and I have another dope video today for you, brought to you from, you guessed it, my sponsor, GoGoCarbon. Guys, as you know, they make a lot of dope stuff for the cars, a lot of nice carbon fiber pieces. As you guys seen the last video I put out, look at that bad boy right here. Whoo, that's what I'm talking about. Wow, that fender vent overlay is freaking dope. I even have the carbon fiber trunk garnish and the exhaust cap overlays. Now this one here is their fuel tank cover overlay, carbon fiber, UV resistant, you guessed it, made for the 15 to 20 WRX STI. See how, and it's the new design too, with especially goes with the body lines of the car, as you can see it right here. They have their own 3N tape on the back of it. It's that very low profile one. Guys, as I told you before, when you're doing this, you don't peel all the tape off, just peel pieces of it off, bend it over, and make sure everything fits first before you put it on. Now, obviously, guys, in the box, they give you some stickers, installation tips, and a thank you card. So, you know, they appreciate your business. And as I told you guys before, if you DM them directly, use my code WickedWhips10, you can get 10% off. If you're impatient, you can go to Amazon on their Amazon store, and right now they're giving away 5% off on that. So if you have Prime and you can't wait, you know the deal. Now, guys, as you saw me pop the gas tank, obviously right here, make sure, I don't have to tell you guys in their installation tips to tell you, make sure you clean down the area well, wipe it down, do whatever you got to do so the 3M tape can adhere properly. And that's really it. This is like a super easy install. So let's get it. All right, guys, so what you want to do is you definitely want to just test fit the product first. See, the tape is still in the back of it. So when you put it on here, the best thing to do is slightly move it like this, and once you wiggle it, you'll see when it actually stops moving, and that would be a perfect fit for it right there. So now once you see obviously that the stuff is the right fitment, now you could start peeling the tape. So what you want to do is you want to take the tape, slightly get a piece off, a piece off, and you want to bend it just like so. So you're bending it on the outside, so it's on the outside. You get what I'm saying? So now everything here is actually joined and connected together. So what you can do is definitely, so this whole bottom piece right over here is joined together, and this entire piece right here is joined together as well. So this is what I'm gonna do. Just slightly pry this up here. Gotta be real careful too when you're doing this, because this 3M is so low profile. There we go. So now I got this piece over here, I got this piece over here, and what I'm gonna do is, the first thing I'm gonna do, you got this piece over here, this middle piece. Hope you guys are paying attention to this, because this is the important part, so you don't jack up your shit. And you definitely want something pointed or sharp when you're doing this. There we go. So, and this piece over here, it's not connected to anything, so we're gonna just take this off. Definitely want something sharp, guys, as I told you guys before. So you're bending it over there, you're bending all these pieces hanging outside, Okay, so now once you stick this on here and you have a proper fitment, now you can just pull off the rest of the 3M tape, if you catch my drift, and it'll come right off. Get what I'm saying? So let's see. I know it's a little bit scary, but it is what it is. Damn, I got a good freaking eye. All right, guys, so the install is complete. Now, I apologize. I don't know what the fudge happened just now, but the camera just shut off. I'm like, what the hell? I'm thinking it was recording the whole time. So let me explain what happened here. So how they put that 3M tape, it's a little bit weird. And even if you have some hanging off the top, they cut notches in it. So what ended up happening, it actually broke, but it's easy. That's why I told you, definitely get something sharp. All you got to do, all I did was I slightly moved the area that wasn't stuck. Now when you move it, you'll get a little space. You can pry on the 3M tape the backing, and this, all you got to do is just slightly separate it and get the tape out, and it's easy. Or if you want, you can just peel off all the tape, you know what I mean, if you have, like, you know, straight hands, and do it like what I normally do. But listen, the stuff is actually really, really dope. It came out really, really nice. Hold on. What the hell? It's starting to rain. The fudge. Look how nice this thing looks, man. My God. This thing looks freaking beautiful. Such a beautiful addition. But let me tell you, that body line is nice. Body lines, check. Anyway, guys, it's starting to rain. So, guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment. Sorry, I gotta run. I gotta back this bad boy in the garage. I'll talk to y'all soon. Take it easy.